Good morning, children. Our topic for the day is production in a factory, a paper mill. Activity for this lesson is, children, you will select any finished topic of your choice, maybe a cloth, a toy or a shoe, and write the stages with pictures and how it is done in a finished product. Write from raw materials to a finished product. Now let's get back to our lesson. Children, if you see, the early man draw the pictures on the caves to communicate each other. Later, he used writings on bark leaves, palm leaves. He came to know that these are not going to stay in a longer period. The leaves get dried up so that we cannot preserve the information in a longer period. So, the man think some more and he can try to invent the paper. The first paper invented in China around 100 BCE. We use so much of paper in our day-to-day lives. Children, do you know how is the paper found in books, records, registers, progress reports and newspapers made? The material required to produce a commodity is called raw material. Factories require a large quantity and a continuous supply of raw material. Paper mills generally use wood from bamboo, eucalyptus and subabul trees. Subabul wood is most widely used now. Besides wood, a number of chemicals like common salt and caustic soda are also used in the different stages of paper making. Scrap paper is also recycled in paper mills. Children, there are two paper mills in our Telangana. One is Sirpur Kagasnagar and another one is Bhadrachalam. Next, we move to process of paper making. Paper is actually made in 5 stages. This paper mill has separate sections for each stage which uses different machines and raw materials. First one is cutting. In the first stage, large pieces of wood are cut into small chips with the help of a large machines. They can cut a lorry load of wood into chips in about 30 minutes. There are about 15 to 20 workers in this section. The chips are then separated according to size. The big chips are again cut into smaller chips. Work goes in this way throughout the day. Next one is making of wood pulp. The small wood chips are sent to fiber line section. In this section, the wood chips are boiled with some chemicals in large vessels. Through this process, the wood chips are turned into a pulp of thin fibers. The liquid pulp is then whitened using chemicals. It then becomes creamy. We found the liquid pulp in milky white color without any dust particles. Next one is spreading the pulp. The liquid pulp is spread on these screens over a cylinder. This is an important stage as the width, length and thickness of the paper is set at this stage. The pulp dries up as the water drains out and evaporates due to heat. Once this is done, the pulp is forwarded through the conveyor belt. Next stage is pressing, drying and rolling. The drying pulp is pressed by rollers to smoothen it. When the pulp dries up completely, we get a sheet of paper which is thin rolled up. Last one is cutting. The paper is cut in the cutting machines according to the size required. Paper is made into rolls and sheets as well. It is then packed and sent to the godowns. The production work takes place continuously in all the sections simultaneously. Thank you, children. I will continue the lesson in next class.